Happy Pancake Tuesday, everybody! To make the pancakes, we need flour, sugar, eggs, butter, milk. Let's go and gather all the ingredients and put them on a table. Now that we have all our ingredients gathered, let's go and find a jug, a teaspoon, frying pan, a spatula, a whisk, a cup, and a plate. Meet you back here when we're ready to start cooking. Now we're ready to start, so let's take our flour and our cup, and we need to fill the cup with the flour. Next, find the jug and pour the cup with the flour into the jug. Now find your sugar and your teaspoon and take 1 teaspoon of sugar and add it to the flour in the jug. And now we need to get a 2nd teaspoon of sugar and add it to the flour in the jug as well. Now our jug contains our flour and our sugar. So find 2 eggs. Crack the 2 eggs into the jug with the flour and the sugar. Crack, crack 1. Crack, crack 2. Now find the milk and the cup that we used for the flour. Fill the cup half full of milk. Pour the half full cup of milk into the jug with our eggs, flour, and sugar. Let's roll up our sleeve, find our whisk, and let's start whisking the pancake mixture together in the jug. Remember, 1 hand on the jug, 1 hand using the whisk. Well done with all the whisking. Now find our frying pan and put some butter on the frying pan, and with the adult's help we're going to put it onto the hob and heat the butter until it melts. Now that the butter has melted on the frying pan, we need to be very careful because it's hot. We are ready to start pouring our mixture onto the frying pan with the help of an adult. Let's get started. So pour 1 pancake onto the frying pan. After a few minutes, we'll see the pancake turning a brown color. It means it's time to flip it over. Remember, be very careful flipping that we don't break the pancake. When both sides are brown, our pancake is cooked and ready for the next fun step. Now all the hard work is done, our pancakes are cooked and ready to go. What are we going to choose today? Is it going to be lemon and sugar? Or is it going to be Nutella? I wonder.